Welcome to the Python Foundation course. Python is a programming language, a way to give instructions to a computer. Unlike most languages computers speak, Python was designed for humans first. It reads almost like English, which makes it the perfect first language to learn. Python is used everywhere. Google runs it, Netflix recommends your shows with it, NASA uses it to analyze space data. But it's also the most beginner-friendly language ever created. You can start writing real programs on day one. By the end of this course you will build real things. Websites, automation scripts, data tools, all with Python. This lesson is your starting line. Welcome to your first Python program. Every program needs a way to show results. In Python, that job belongs to the print function. Call it, pass it some text, and Python puts that text on the screen. One line. That is your first Python program. The text in quotes is what Python will display. Run this and you will see "Hello, world" on the screen. Print is a built-in function, it comes with Python, no setup needed. The quotes mark this as a string, text data. Without quotes Python would think hello is a variable name and crash. 3 traps beginners fall into. Missing parentheses, a capital P in print, and forgetting the closing parenthesis. Python is case-sensitive and every bracket must be closed. 4 rules that will save you from your first bugs. Memorize them. Welcome to printing multiple things. You already know print can show one thing. Now let's see how it handles several values at once, and how Python can do maths right inside a print call. Separate values with commas inside the parentheses. Python automatically puts a space between each one. The output reads, "My name is Python." Numbers need no quotes. Python prints them directly. Mix text and numbers freely, a comma separates them and Python handles the spacing. Python evaluates the expression first, then prints the result. You see 8, not 5 plus 3. Print is more powerful than it first looks. These patterns come up constantly, get comfortable with them. Welcome to comments in code. A comment is a line your program skips entirely. Python never executes it. Comments exist for you, your teammates, and your future self who forgot why you wrote something. The hash symbol starts a comment. Everything after it on that line is ignored by Python. Comments can sit at the end of a code line too. The code runs normally, Python just ignores the comment part. Another use, temporarily disable a line without deleting it. Useful when debugging, turn code off and on by adding or removing the hash. Good comments make code easier to understand and maintain. Start the habit now. If this lesson helped you, smash that like button and share it with a friend who's learning Python. Subscribe so you never miss a lesson. And continue your full learning journey for free at pylearn.saypeace.ng.